Hello, this is Rifun Hussain Chapel back with another video, and in today's video we will discuss about the plugins that you must need for your website. In my opinion, the first plugin will be Elementor. This is the page builder plugin, so for building any kind of pages, you need to have this plugin. You can use other one, but the best of the market is this one, this Elementor. The free one will give the opportunity to complete your all the pages that you need, and the pro one that will extend the things that you need the most. So with the Elementor you can just make this type of pages, even more advanced stuff. So it is having the AI things to implement with your theme. If we check some things here, the sections that you want to have in your website, in few clicks you can do that. So if we choose the pages, and if we say that some new template that you want to import in your page, in a second you can do that. So you can have a contact us wireframe. If I click on insert, you can easily edit the contact page. It will take few seconds, and you can see here the contact sections is here, and you just need to upload the images. So this way you can edit the whole website through Elementor. The second plugin that we want to discuss is the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. Suppose you have completed your website, but the speed of your website is very slow. Now you need to speed up. So for to speed up your website, you can use the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. You need to install that plugin and activate it. After the activation, if you came to the dashboard, then this is the things that you will see. And in the dashboard, you will see the image optimization, page optimization, and the CDN bandwidth, and the other things as well. And for activate by default, the LiteSpeed cache will be enabled, and you can check it in here with the cache. In here, you can see the options for the enable cache or the logged in user and the cache commenters, and a lot of things. You can check it out. After making those changes, you can click on save changes. And if you want that the object will be cache also, then you can make it on or you can make it off. And the method, you can select here the Redis method or the memory cached method. So you can select that and click on save changes button. So the basic fine tuning will give a speed booster for your website, and it will help you to lose the customer for your website. Okay, now we have come to the third plugin, and in this third plugin, we will discuss about the two plugins but do the same work. The first one is RankMath, and the second one is Yoast SEO. This two is a killer plugin for your website SEO. Right now, I'll check it out that how you can set up the RankMath, and as this video will get longer, I will just have mentioned the name that you can use the Yoast SEO plugin too. So for set up the RankMath, you need to click on the you don't need to set the advanced things. We'll go for the easy one, as this is a basic things now. So we'll click on start wizard, then we will import the data from here. Then I will click on start import, and it has completed. Then we'll click on the continue button. Then the things that for what business purpose you are using this. So I'll check personal blog and the website name and the alternative name. This is the things that will be shown for the home for the website name now. So you need to check it carefully that what logo for the Google's and the default social share, all the things is very important here. And I will click on save and continue button. And here it is saying that okay, connect to the RankMath account, but I will skip this step. You can click save and continue, or you can connect the RankMath account if you want to open one. So I'll skip this one. And as you can see here, your site is ready. Now return to the dashboard. Now what this has done. So if we go for the post here, then you will see the SEO details, keyword not set, then the schema, article, blog posting. So if I go here for editing a post, then you can see the result here. So I'll give a nice title here. This is a nice blog. As you can see here, the rank for the title is very poor, and you can see the rank here. So we can fix it with the AI also. So if you click on here, but it will take some money from you if it's a pro things or free things. So I will take a help. Give me a good SEO title. So I will take it from the ChatGPT. Let's see what the ChatGPT suggests. Okay, so we will take this one here. We'll take a title and paste it here. Let's see what will be the rank here for the title. We have put the title here and the focus keyword. What is the keyword that we want to be ranking? So if I click here, check the artificial intelligence for the focus keyword, and if I paste it here, artificial intelligence, then you can see the ranking progress here. Today you are using the focus keyword, then focus keyword not found in the SEO meta description. So we can fix it with AI, and you can check the other things as well. And additional is giving 7 errors. We can fix it step by step. If we write some content, then we can fix it too. So by fixing the issues, the content that you are writing, it will help you to SEO in the Google. It will help you to rank in the Google. So this way we can do that. And you can see the preview how your website with this post will look into the Google search. So we can edit the snippet also. As you can see, the title and the permalink we can edit, and we can edit the description also. So by this way, you can use the RankMath in the pages also, and obviously you can use it in the post. The same way you can use the Yoast SEO plugin. So this too is the killer plugin for the SEO for your website. Okay, now the fourth plugin for your website that is must needed. You are having a lot of images on your website. Now you want to speed up your website as well by compress the image. So for compressing the image, Smush is the most effective one. So after installing and activating the plugin, you will have this kind of thing. So I can scan the site by clicking the scan the site, and you need to wait some time. And as you can see in my website, it is having 241 images. So if I click on speed up your site, then as you can see, the compressions things, super 2x compression, then automatic compression, then obviously my site need to be lazy load and optimize the original images. So I have checked by default, it will be checked. So we will not change anything. We'll click the continue button, and as you can see, it is saying that we need to connect it with a free account, or you need to sign up. So you can do that. Okay, after completing the login, you will see these things. Now from here, you can back up the original images as well. You can do that, or you can do the basic compression, which is 1x, and you can do the super compression. And by clicking on the optimize 241 images, you are ready to go. So it will take some time. After that, your image will be compressed. So like your 40 MB pixel, 40 MB images will convert into like 30 pixel images. If you use the ultra one, it will give more uh, extra compressions for the image. And you can also active the lazy load. That means when you are scroll down, then the images will be ready on that time only. So this way you can use the Smush plugin for optimize the images, and it will boost your website speed very much. Now for your contact page, you must need a contact form. So for making the contact form, you can use two plugins, the most two popular plugins. One of them is Contact Form 7, and one of them is WPForms Lite. First of all, we'll check out how Contact Form 7 works. Then we'll check out the WPForms Lite 2. So first of all, we'll check the Contact Form 7. You need to click on the Add Contact Form button, and a basic informations will come, and if you need to place the title here like contact page form, Then you are watching here the name, then email, then the subject, then the text area that you want to capture the data from your users. You can also take the text area or drop down menu or check boxes if you want to know anything from your client. So now after that you will need to click on save button, and in the mail tab there is other functionality as well, that from where this email will be shown and from where this email will be sent, and you can set additional headers and the message body as well. You can edit it by this shortcut, as you can see. So if you click on here like reply to, then you can place your email, or in the body you can place it by just copy and paste it. Copy it and paste it, and uh, edit the body or the for mail or the subject mail, and click on the save button. And you just need to do is place this contact form shortcode into your contact page. By doing this, the contact form 7 will work perfectly. Okay, after activating the WPForms slide plugins, you will see the first look like this. Now you can click on here, create your first form, and it will redirect to you to build your first form. And we'll click on the let's go button and name it as contact form. As you see that the contact form 7 is very raw. It don't give you any opportunity to select any kind of built-in forms, but this one is completely different. This one will give you select a blank form or simple contact form, and you can use this template. So if I click on use template, then you see a simple contact form has been made. So the first contact form that has been made. Now you want to edit this form as well. Here's you can drag and drop your email or numbers or multiple choice. You just drag and drop, and you can edit the things that you need to edit. After that, you need to click on the save button. And if you now how these things will be implemented in your website, now just give a cross here. And you can see here WPForms and all the other options, and this, and here is the shortcode that you need to place your contact page or any other sections you want to show. So by this way you can place your contact form in your website. Now after setting up the contact form, you might see a problem, or you might face a problem that your contact form mail is not going so well. I mean, the mail you send through the WordPress is going in spam, or it is not working perfectly, or it is taking like half an hour or 1 hour to send to the user. So for solving that problem, you need to set a mail SMTP. And for solving that problem, the same company is giving you the WPForms Lite is giving you the plugins called WP Mail SMTP. You can use it in the contact form 7 also. You just need to set up the plugins here. You need to paste the license key. You need to click on the connect button. And if you can see here the primary connection, we can launch the launch setup widget. And let's get started. And then you can choose the mail setup that you are having. You can set the other SMTP, or you can use the Google one or Bravo or smtp.com. They are recommending something, so you can use that too. Or if you are having a want to set up the other, so I'll choose the other and save, click and continue. Then you need to place the host, then the encryption, then the SMTP port, then the username and SMTP password, and the name that will be shown if you send a mail. And we can force this name as well by just check it out. And after that, you will click on continue, click save and continue. Then there are other data as well that you need to set up, but right now I'll click close and exit the setup form. And here that is the launching package, and from here you can select the other one too as well, and you can set the same things from here also. It will solve the problem of mail sending things. So this way you can just set up the WP Mail SMTP plugins. Now it's time to discuss about the security of your WordPress website. So for the security of your WordPress website, you need the WordFence plugin. So it will give you the spam protection, malware check, and firewall check, and it will give a scan as well. So you need to install a free license first of all. So for the getting the WordFence license, you need to click on the get your WordFence license button. Then it will it will tell you to create a create a account on their website. So you will do that, and they will give a free license key like this. So after that, you will need to click on install license button, and WordFence will do the rest of the work. After installing the free license, you can go to the dashboard, and as you can see, the plugins has been successfully installed and activated. So you need to click on the next button, next, and the things that they told to give you. After that, as you can see, you can manage the firewall, you can do the scan, you can upgrade to premium for a better premium protection. So if you want to scan, then you can click on manage scan, and you can give a check on that how the scan will be like. So you can check the general options here, you can check the performance options here, and you can see the advanced scan options as well. So after checking this out, you can check the firewall, then check all the things that how the firewall will work on your website. So on the free, it will handle the basic attacks that you need from the bots or from any kind of hack. So it will give a pretty safe things. After successfully build your website or while building your website, you must need the backup. Because suppose you are editing your pages and somehow you have deleted. But if you are having the backups, then you can restore it from the backups. That way you can save your lot of hours. And if your website got hacked, like, and you are having the backups of the past 10 days, then you can reinstall that 10 days before backup, and you can run your website successfully again. So backups is the most important thing for your WordPress website, and for that we will use UpdraftPlus, and this will saves you a lot of work. So I have installed and activated, and after that you will see something like this, and you can click on the backup now button, and the backup now button, you can include your database, you can include your files, and only allow this backup to be deleted manually. That means this backup will be not deleted automatically, your permissions will be needed. So if I check, we will check it out, and I will click on backup now button, and as you can see, requesting start of backup, it has been started. And you see here the backups file is creating, and the backups of my website will be created within few minutes. Okay, after some time your backups will be created, and here's the interesting fact that you can restore your backups into your website, or you can download the things that you need to download in your local computer. And not only that, this Updraft Plus plugins will give you the options to migrate your website or clone your website. So here's the things, migrate slash clone. You can clone all of the website by just clicking on create a temporary on clone on our server. So on that server, you can create a temporary clone. So if you click on here, then you need to place the updraft clone website account email password or a key, then connect it and take the backup to their server. And here's some settings. The file you can schedule it, the backups, retain, you can check it out all the things. So by this you can sleep well that your backup of your website is taking per week or per month. As you can see the schedule, and they are having the pro version also. So you can check out that too. You want to run a store on online in WordPress, and you can't think even without the plugin WooCommerce. WooCommerce itself, it's a store. By setting up the WooCommerce store, WooCommerce plugin, you can set up your store very easily. Just after installing the WooCommerce plugin, you will get a front end page like this, and you can set up the store. So if you click on set up my store, then I am starting a new business. If you click on continue, and can select the industry that you want to set. I'll select health and beauty, and as you can see the other things as well, you need to, it will be selecting automatically where is your locations and the email that you have installed in your WordPress website. And you can opt in to receive tips and discount and recommendation of the WooCommerce team and directly in your inbox. So if you want that, you can check it out, and I will click on the continue button. Then after that, I don't want any of this free feature right now. So I'll click on the continue button again. And let's get your features ready. So you want to run a WooCommerce store through WordPress, you must need the WooCommerce plugin. And then you are ready to go. After this setup, you will see like this. You can add a physical product, or you can add a variable product, or you can add a group product. So in the product, I will click on add new product button, and then you can place your product title like shoe. Then you can place some descriptions here, and the price of the product, and you can give it sale price too. You can check the inventory here, if the product is in stock or out of stock. You can give the shipping options, or you can link a product through upsell and cross sales. You can give some attribute if it's a variable product, and you can see the advanced options too. And you can set the category of the product also by filling the information that you need to give for the product, and you need to click on the publish button. So after publishing your first product, you need to set up all other things like your um, bank informations, or your other informations that is need to set the payment gateway as well. So you can do that from the WooCommerce settings. You need to check it out, like all the options is available in here. So for setting up your store, you must need the WooCommerce plugins to set up your WordPress website. So you have completely built your website, you have made your store, you have done all the things, but now you need to connect your website and show. You want to know that how many users is coming to your website, how many are lifting for the speed issue, or how many are staying on which page for how many times. All the data that you need to show in your, you want to know that now. So for that, Google has give you a plugin that is called Sitekit. You can install, and you can sign in it with Google. You can set it up by installing this plugin. So check it out and stay happy. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe if you like the video. Thank you very much.